Hi everyone, so today I'm going to go through a few products that would be typically really helpful for anyone suffering with PCOS, known as polycystic ovarian syndrome. So this is quite a general overview and it's for some of the symptoms associated with PCOS. So if you are someone suffering with that and you're under the supervision of a GP, do always double check with them if you want to use a product that you're not 100% sure about will work with any medication that you could be on. So as females, we tend to have a very low level of androgen sex hormone, which is male hormones within our ovaries. But with the condition of PCOS, there's an abnormal production of these androgen sex hormones. So they can cause concerns such as acne, particularly around the lower part of the face, neck and jawline. It can cause a discoloration or pigmentation on the skin, excessive oiliness, and possibly, or more often than not, excessive hair growth. So first up, if discoloration and pigmentation are one of the concerns that you have and you're suffering with PCOS, these two products are absolutely phenomenal. They're from SkinCeuticals. So these are clinically proven to penetrate the skin really deeply. We use the purest form of the antioxidant. It's very bioavailable to the skin, which means the skin will use it correctly, and we use the correct and they use the optimum concentration in these particular antioxidants to ensure maximum benefit. So the first one is Floretin CF. So this is for your combination discolored pigmented skin. This is your antioxidant. It goes on to clean skin. 3 to 5 drops is enough for the face, neck and chest. So this is going to prevent further damage. And this is your discoloration defense serum that goes on afterwards. So this is your day and night serum, and this is going to correct any pigmentation or discoloration that's already there. If you're looking to other brands in terms of trying to help with evening that tone and pigmentation in the skin, I've just chosen a few more off the shelf here in clinic. So one of them being the Super B Complex from ASAP, Ultimate Boost Serum, and this is your Glow Essence from the Irish brand Clinic Hair. So the three of these would contain niacinamide, and that particular ingredient is fantastic for helping to even out and dissipate any colour and uneven pigmentation in the skin. So your next concern could possibly be acne, excessive oil, breakouts, things like that. So that's a quite common side effect of having PCOS. So with this one, I've chosen another SkinCeuticals pack. So this is the Silymarin CF. This is your antioxidant that you pop on every day, every morning on a clean skin. And this is your blemish and age defense. So this is your correcting serum. This is going to correct, it's going to absorb the oiliness. It's going to anti-inflame any kind of raised congestion or pustules or cystic acne. And your Silymarin CF is going to absorb the excess oil. It does contain salicylic acid, and it's going to help regulate that oil control as well as declogging the pores. So hydration is going to be really important in all skin concerns, but especially with PCOS as well, because if you are congested or have acne or excess oil on the skin, you still need to have hydration on the skin as well. So dehydrated skin is a loss of water, and your skin will perform better and it will accept products better if it's hydrated. First one is the HA Intensifier from SkinCeuticals. We're going to apply this after our antioxidants, and we're going to mist the skin first with a nice kind of light thermal water spray because we want it to hold water and attract water. Another one is from Image. That's the Ageless Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Again, different molecular weights so they can hit different levels of the skin. And the CeraVe Hyaluronic Acid Serum, completely different price point, but again, it's something to have hyaluronic acid onto the skin along with your other corrective or protective products. So SPFs, as you know, they're not just sun creams anymore. They tend to have a lot more ingredients in them specific to a skin concern. So I've chosen 3, possibly 4 from This is from SkinCeuticals today because these are really quite specific to a skin concern. The first one is Oil Shield. So as I mentioned, people suffering with PCOS could possibly have excess oil and a overstimulated sebaceous gland. So this Oil Shield from SkinCeuticals will completely mattify the skin and give you that protection of SPF 50 from UVA and UVB rays. So an SPF that's specific for anyone who has the coloration, the uneven skin tone, or the pigmentation, is the Advanced Brightening UV Defense from SkinCeuticals. So this is really going to help kind of brighten and even out, and it will go a long way when you're using a corrective serum underneath it. It's going to kind of boost the effects of that. So last but not least is the Mineral Radiance Defense from SkinCeuticals. These are all SPF 50. This one in particular is tinted, and I know it's really important for anyone suffering with, say, PCOS or acne or congestion, and they kind of really want to even it out, maybe not draw much attention to it, but using something that is a mineral tinted SPF is really going to kind of help minimize the look of any redness or inflammation. So it's absolutely not the same for everybody, and I do understand that PCOS is a huge subject in regards to skin and how you're feeling, so it's very hard to condense everything into a few snippets. But as always, if you have any questions or you want a specific skin consultation, you can click the link on top of our website, and we'd be more than happy to get you booked in and start your skin journey with Millies.